You have to be willing to take risks. Most people never take enough risks in their career. They're too nervous to do it, particularly when you're in your 20s. You want to take those chances because you can afford to. You don't have as much financial burden on yourself. Usually you don't have a house or family yet, and so you don't have a mortgage or kids you got to feed and a wife you have to take care of, or vice versa. Your significant other, doesn't matter. The point is, you got to take risks. And you got to make decisions of consequence. That's why I don't like people that become consultants. They never make any decisions of consequence.
Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? I'll show you 7 AI-driven ventures to escape it and scale to $200,000 by 2027, replacing your job income. Kevin O'Leary says, leverage technology to build wealth. Don't just work for it. Let's launch your AI empire today. Take inspiration from Alex Hormozi, who scaled to a $100 million empire by leveraging technology and systems. Starting with Gym Launch in 2016, Hormozi used automation and scalable business models to grow Acquisition.com, a portfolio of companies generating millions by 2025. He replaced his 9-to-5 income by focusing on high-impact ventures, proving you can escape the grind with the right tech. His key lesson? Use technology like AI to automate and scale, building wealth faster than any 9-to-5 ever could. First, let's save $15,000 in 12 months to fund your AI venture. With a $50,000 salary and no rent, use a 70-20-10 budget. 70% to savings, that's $28,008, 20% to essentials, $8,004, and 10% to learning, $3,996. That's $2,334 a month to savings, $28,008 in 12 months. After taxes, you'll hit $15,000 by May 2026, giving you the capital to launch your AI business. Robert Kiyosaki says budget to build your empire, track spending with YNAB, an online budgeting tool, cut costs like dining out or subscriptions, and stay focused on your goal. Venture 1, AI content generator for blogs. Build a tool using OpenAI API to create SEO-optimized blog posts for businesses, costing $10,000 for API usage, hosting, and marketing. Charge $300 a month per client, scaling to $3,000 a month with 10 clients in year 1. Cody Sanchez says content is king. Use AI to deliver value and build your income stream. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 with AI? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's build your AI empire together. Venture 2, AI chatbot for e-commerce. Create a chatbot on Bubble with Dialogflow for automated customer support, costing $12,000 for development and marketing. Charge $500 a month per client, scaling to $15,000 a month with 30 clients by 2027. Grant Cardone says 10x your efforts to dominate. Use AI to solve real problems and scale fast.
Plan, execute, iterate. Every business operates on their 3 premises. It doesn't matter if you're building a fitness app, meme pages, e-commerce stores, supplement lines, clothing lines. You have to always plan, execute, and iterate. And there's a process to those things.
Venture 3, AI-driven social media ads tool. Develop a tool on Bubble using OpenAI to generate ad copy and visuals, costing $11,000 for setup and ads. Charge $400 a month per client, hitting $4,000 a month with 10 clients in year 1. Barbara Corcoran says smart marketing builds wealth. Use AI to create ads that convert and grow your business. Venture 4, AI personalized learning app. Use Bubble and OpenAI to create tailored educational content, costing $13,000 for development and marketing. Charge $200 a month per user, scaling to $2,000 a month with 10 users. Jim Rohn says education drives long-term success. Use AI to deliver value and build a profitable app. Want more AI venture ideas to escape the 9-to-5? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss a step with Nova Society Finance. Venture 5, AI Lead Generation Tool. Build a lead scoring tool with Bubble and Zapier, costing $10,000 for setup and outreach. Charge $600 a month per business, reaching $6,000 a month with 10 clients. Damon John says, leads are the lifeblood of business. Use AI to generate them and grow your income.
AI is not going to take your jobs. The person who uses AI is going to take your job. Do you guys agree with that? Okay, so use AI as fast as you can so that you can stay gainfully employed. Let me ask you the second thing. When AI increases the productivity of your company, what happens next? Layoffs or you hire more people? You hire more people. And the reason for that is, give me an example of one company that had earnings growth, productivity, because of productivity gains, that said, guess what? My gross margins just went up. Time for a layoff.
Venture 6, AI Email Marketing Optimizer. Develop a tool on Bubble with OpenAI to craft high-converting emails, costing $12,000 for development and ads. Charge $500 a month per client, hitting $5,000 a month with 10 clients. Brian Tracy says, take action to win, use AI to optimize emails and drive sales for your clients. Venture 7, AI Customer Feedback Analyzer. Create a tool on Bubble with AWS. Comprehend to analyze feedback, costing $14,000 for setup and marketing. Charge $400 a month per business, scaling to $4,000 a month with 10 clients. Myron Golden says, leverage systems to grow. Use AI to turn feedback into actionable insights for profit. Which AI venture will you launch first? Drop it in the comments below, and while you're at it, check out our AI Tycoon trucker hat at novasocietyfinance.shop. Wear it to inspire your entrepreneurial journey. Now, let's scale the AI chatbot for e-commerce to $200,000 by 2027. Invest $12,000 to build it on Bubble with Dialogflow, covering development and marketing. Launch by May 2026, charging $500 a month per client. Year 1, grow to 30 clients. That's $15,000 a month, $180,000 a year. By May 2027, hit 40 clients, $20,000 a month, $240,000 a year, replacing your 9-to-5 income. Grant Cardone says, 10x your goals, 10x your marketing, client outreach, and systems to dominate your market. Your action plan to escape the 9-to-5 and scale your AI venture, Wealth Foundation. Save $15,000 in 12 months with a 70-20-10 budget to launch your AI business. Step 1, choose one AI venture like the chatbot to start your entrepreneurial journey. Step 2, invest your $12,000 wisely. Build on no-code platforms to keep costs low. Step 3, scale to 30 clients in year 1. Use the 10x mindset to dominate your market. Step 4, hit $200,000 by 2027, replace your 9-to-5 income, and live on your terms. Act now, your AI empire awaits. As an entrepreneur building my own digital ventures, I'm here to guide you in escaping the 9-to-5, one step at a time. Kevin O'Leary's tech-driven mindset, Robert Kiyosaki's budgeting wisdom, and Alex Hormozi's scaling lessons from his journey to millions light the way. Let's stay driven by taking action daily, building habits that lead to lasting financial freedom. Start today, launch your AI venture, and create your empire with Nova Society Finance. Will you take the leap? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to learn more about personal finance and wealth building strategies? Please click on one of the following videos.